Alright, so as you guys know, lots of people are talking about Nano Banana and like how they're creating images of themselves, like with celebrities, a sports person, and whatnot. So like it's really getting the hype right now, you guys, right? But today in this video, we're gonna basically take Nano Banana and we're gonna use Google VEO3 with that as well to basically create one of the best looking AI videos of yourself with the help of Nano Banana and Google VEO3. And also, you guys, this whole process is gonna be absolutely free. Like, yes, you heard me right. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys. So first of all, we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna search over here Gemini to access our Nano Banana first of all. And in that, we're going to go to Google Gemini and make sure that you select the 2.5 flash version of Google Gemini. That is really, really important. And yeah, mind you guys, for using Nano Banana, you need to make sure one more thing as well, that you need to go to this tools option and select this, banana emoji so that your Nano Banana is enabled in your Gemini 2.5 flash. Okay. All right, so first of all, for creating our Nano Banana images, we need to go ahead and upload some images of ourselves. So as you guys can see right over here, I have few of the images of myself that I can use. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and take this image and basically upload it inside of Gemini in Nano Banana. And then we need to go ahead and input our prompts. So for that, I have generated some prompts with the help of Chat GPT. I basically, describe how I'm like using Nano Banana and Google VEO3. I'm trying to create some fantastic cinematic images of myself. So I want Chat GPT to create me some prompts for Nano Banana and also the prompts for Google VEO3 that will include some dialogues as I just showed you in the intro, you guys, right? So yeah, then Chat GPT provided me some of the prompts. It has basically provided me the pair, first of all, we have the Nano Banana prompt for our image, and then we have the Google VEO3 prompt for our, that Nano Banana image. So yeah, these are the prompts that I created with ChatGPT. So if you want these prompts, I can provide you down in the description so that you can access these prompts yourself as well. So yeah, first of all, we're gonna go ahead and take one of these prompts from here. Let's just say I take this city daylight scene. I'm gonna simply copy this prompt, come to Google Gemini and paste it right over here. And I'm going to simply click on submit. All right, guys, just like that, within few seconds, the Google Gemini is going to like create the image for us. Like it was, the image was city daylight scene, and like take a look at how beautifully it has created our image. This looks like exactly a reference image. Like, let me show you. This was a reference image, and for that, it basically provided me with this result, which looks absolutely perfect. So now I'm going to show you in this video how I'm going to take this image and create like video of myself with the help of Google VEO3. And yeah, trust me guys, this will be an entirely free process. You don't need any subscription at all. Like you can see over here as well, I'm using the Gemini like free version, and I'm gonna animate this image with the help of Google VEO3 by using the free version as well. Like I'm gonna show you in a moment. So yeah, first of all, I'm gonna simply go ahead and download this image straight away with me. All right, so once my image is downloaded, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and use Google VEO3 to basically animate this image. For that, I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab of Google and simply type over here like Opal Google. And you need to go to this first link like Google Opal, like opal with google.com. So it's going to direct you to this interface of like Opal, and right now you guys can see it's showing Opal is not available in your country. So right now you guys might be wondering like what I'm doing over here. I'm not using Google VEO3. Just give me a moment. Trust me guys, like this is a perfect method to use Google VEO3 for absolutely free. So over here, like what should we do now? So right now I'm gonna go ahead and connect my VPN. So I'm using like Hotspot Shield VPN. I'm gonna simply connect this to my PC. All right, so once it's connected, I'm gonna simply, just reload my like this website of Opal with Google, and now you guys can see it's working absolutely fine. I'm gonna simply click from here, like sign in with Google. All right, so once it's signed in, this is the interface that you're gonna land into. So from here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and create a new app that's gonna integrate Google VEO3 inside of that. And through that, you'll be able to use Google VEO3 for absolutely free. Like, so I've created one app with me already. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So you need to click on create new. And from here, it's going to ask you like, let's build your app. And over here, you need to input your prompt. So for the prompt, I have basically ready an input prompt for you to create an app to create videos with Google VEO 3. So I'm gonna like also drop this prompt down in the description so you then copy paste with you as well. I'm gonna simply paste this prompt right over here, click on enter. All right, and just like that, within few seconds, again, it's gonna go ahead and generate this kind of interface. So yeah, like take a look at this workflow. So first of all, it's saying, image upload, you need to upload your image, then you need to input your prompt, and then your video is ready to go. Like this is how simple it is, okay? All right, so from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply go ahead and, take this image, and I'm gonna take this prompt that, ChatGPT provided me for this Nano Banana prompt. So I'm gonna simply go ahead and go to Opal, click on start, upload my image right over here, which I created with Gemini a few moments ago. Like here it is. Yeah. I'm going to simply click on enter, and then it's asking me to, describe your desired animation. So from here, I'm going to take my Google VEO 3 prompt that ChatGPT provided me. Simply need to go ahead and paste it right over here and click on enter. And yeah, you guys would notice, Opal is going to only take around 1 or 2 minutes to create amazing generation. Like it's going to create video of ourselves, like, that Gemini, like Nano Banana provided us. So yeah, let's wait for that. So yeah, take a look at this, guys. Just like that, our video is created now. We can simply go ahead and download this video from here, and let me show you how a VEO 3 created our video.
In a city this loud, you have to make your voice even louder.
So yeah, that was absolutely perfect. And just like that, you can create so many generations of yourself with the help of Nano Banana and Google VEO 3 by following this procedure. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create videos of yourself with the help of Nano Banana and Google VEO 3 for absolutely free. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.